I am Ram Vaghani from class 5th, Shri H.J. Gajara English Medium School. Live as if you were to die tomorrow, learn as if you were to live forever. जियो ऐसे कि जैसे कल ही मरने वाले हो और सीखो ऐसे कि जैसे हमेशा जीने वाले हो. Today on the occasion of the Gandhi Jayanti, let us remember Gandhi's sacrifices and pledge to uphold the values he had, such as truth, non-violence, equality and patience. He used to say, to lose patience is to lose the battle. Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869. He was a great and powerful leader of India. Gandhiji believed that problems could be solved without violence and that speaking truth could change the world. Gandhiji said, in a gentle way you can shake the world. Gandhi Jayanti is also known as International Day of Non-Violence. Gandhiji was a leader who inspired millions with his teaching. He was the supporter of non-violence, truth and peace, and his life continues to inspire people even today. His life serves guiding light in dark times. In end, I would just like to say Gandhiji was the man of simple living and high thinking.
सत्य और अहिंसा का जिन्होंने अलग जगाया, दुनिया को अपने कर्मों से सही मार्ग दिखाया. अपनी सादगी में छिपी थी एक महान ताकत जिसने भारत को दिलाई आज़ादी की दौलत. दुनिया ने देखा था उनके संकल्प का अद्भुत प्रकाश, अन्याय के खिलाफ खड़ा किया सत्य का विश्वास. कभी हिंसा को नहीं दिया समर्थन, उनकी राह ने दिया हमें स्वतंत्रता का दर्पण. वो नाम है जो सदियों तक रहेगा अमर, हर दिल में बसा उनका प्रेम और समर्पण. चलिए हम उसी राह पर उनका सपना साकार करें, उनके विचारों से भारत को रोशन करें. Hey guys, I Pavni from class 7th, Shri H.J. Gajara English Medium School, Adran. Today we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti, the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, a man whose ideas of truth and non-violence changed the history. On this day dedicated to Mahatma Gandhi, I look forward to sharing insights into his extraordinary journey and its relevance to us all. We all know Gandhiji as the leader of India's freedom struggle, but there are some lesser known facts about him that are also inspiring. For example, did you know that Gandhi once worked as a volunteer during the Boer War in South Africa? He helped carry injured soldiers as an aid worker. Even though he believed in non-violence, he always wanted to help others, even in times of war. Gandhiji also believed in natural healing and simple remedies. He promoted healthy diets and natural cures in his ashrams. In 1939, he even wrote a letter to Adolf Hitler asking him to avoid violence and stop World War II. This shows how much he cared about peace not just in India but around the world. Another interesting fact is that Gandhiji was nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize 5 times but never won. The Nobel Committee later expressed regret about this. However, his ideas influenced great leaders like Martin Luther King Jr. and Nelson Mandela. Gandhiji's message is still important today. His ideas of truth, self-control and helping others are something we should all follow to create a peaceful and kind world. बापू के शब्दों में थी सच्चाई की ताकत, अहिंसा से उन्होंने जीती थी हर मुश्किल की हालत. उनके आदर्शों को हम दिल से निभाएं, गांधी जी के सपनों का भारत हम मिलकर बनाएं. थैंक यू.